Hello and welcome to the commuting page of Locrating.com. This video will explain step by step how to use our commuting features. So, first of all we have a search area field. This can be a postcode, a place name, an area of interest, a city, an address, anything that you could type into a Google Maps search you can put into here. So we'll come back to this later. The first thing you need to decide is where you want to commute to. So you could, for example, put in London Bridge as the station you wish to commute to, and you could say that you're only interested in commutes up to 30 minutes and you only want direct trains, and then you would click on search. So what we have here, here's a key. Each marker represents a commute. If I zoom in, now what I could do here actually is to show you the search area. So if I was to actually type in London Bridge here, this will take me on the map to that location. So that's a quick way of navigating to London Bridge. So here we have the D, which represents a destination, which in this case is London Bridge. And all of these markers represent journeys. So if I zoom out a little bit, you can see how the markers change colour as the journey gets further out. If you click on a marker you can see the journey. There's information here about the station. More information can be found by going to the National Rail website by following this link. There's information on local crime, that's the police website, and also information on socio-economic data such as typical careers of people living in this postcode, the type of housing, etc. So we have our journey time here, which is 12 minutes. We have some information about the station. For example, it has car parking, cycle storage, a ramp onto trains, and we can see here that there's step-free access in the whole of the station. There's an option here, if you require step-free access, then you can tick this and it'll only show you commutes where for stations that have step-free access. And that includes interconnecting stations. And we have here, if you wish to see the journey in the National Rail Planner, you can click on this. And also if you wish to find out season ticket prices, you can click on this. So as an example, if I click Plan Journey using National Rail Journey Planner, we'll see the journey comes up here. And then you can find out more information about it, you can find out fares, etc. If I switch back. Now what I could do, I could say actually I'm happy to have a longer commute. So I could change this. I'm going to hit return and we'll see we've got more stations have appeared. And I could also say that actually I don't mind changing once. And let's say I'll even be prepared to commute for an hour and a half. Clicking on return. So we've got many more options available to us in terms of commuting. Here we can see multiple changes and we can see that this is over an hour's commute.